Is your Genie client giving you trouble? Are you looking for an easy way to find out if everything's okay inside of that thing? Well, you're about to find out how to do it. The only tool that you'll need is this remote. It's got to be the remote that came with the DIRECTV Genie client. No third-party remotes are going to work. While you're watching live TV, press and hold the Info button on the remote. You'll need to hold it for about 5 seconds. You'll see the info banner pop up, and eventually you'll see this screen pop up. Choose Run System Test, and then press the dash button so that other people get notified that you're running this test. You can't actually watch TV while the test is running, which is why other clients will get a message on the screen saying that live TV is about to be interrupted. It takes about 15-20 seconds, as you can see. You'll get to this screen, which just sits there while the test runs. This sequence has been shortened so you don't get bored and go watch some other video on YouTube. In reality, it takes about 15 to 20 seconds to run this test, and it's going to stop and start a couple of times during the process. This is perfectly normal. When it's finally finished, you should get the message, "All items OK." Press the select button on the remote and you'll be taken back to the test screen. From there, you can press the exit button to go back to live television. That's all there is. If it doesn't say all items OK, if you get an error message, go over to blog.solidsignal.com/error codes to decode what that error means. Testing your DIRECTV Genie client is easy, and now you know how to do it.